The coloring process of figures is a crucial step in bringing them to life and enhancing their visual appeal. Once the figure has been produced, whether through molding or other manufacturing techniques, it is ready to be colored. Various coloring methods can be employed, depending on the material of the figure and the desired finish. Hand painting is a traditional method that allows for meticulous detail and customization. Airbrushing is another popular technique that provides a smooth and consistent finish. Digital printing is also used for complex designs or patterns. Color selection is an important consideration, as it can greatly impact the overall look and feel of the figure. Factors such as color theory, brand identity, and target audience preferences may influence the choice of colors. Quality control is essential during the coloring process to ensure consistency and accuracy. Once the coloring is complete, additional finishing touches may be applied, such as a protective coating or glossy finish, to enhance the appearance and durability of the figure. The end result is a beautifully colored figure ready to be enjoyed by collectors and enthusiasts.